we're back at it again. Today we are at Sam's Knob and Flat Laurel Creek. It's about an 800 foot elevation gain and about 4 miles, you said?
4 miles.
Yeah, 4 miles. So we're gonna try to do something a little different today too. We left a little later in the afternoon. We're trying to get up to the knob, which is a bald, by sunset, so that maybe we can get some good sunset pictures. I don't know. It's a little cloudier than we thought, so we'll have to see how that goes. So wish us luck. So also one thing that I wanted to mention too is kind of the reason why I'm down here. Well, the reason why Craig and I both are down here is we came down for the Native Plant Conference, North Carolina Native Plant Conference. And look, I can tell y'all right now, I've met my people. This is a fun group of guys and gals, but everybody has a whole lot of fun. Yeah, they're doing things like this, and this. Oh yeah, and don't forget about this. Also, yeah, I mean, they have live music everywhere. So don't forget about the plants. My God, the plants. Up and down all the rows, there's just plants and food. So yeah, good time. So yeah, that's why we're here. That's why we're getting these couple hikes in under our belt, is because we had the opportunity to come here for the Native Plant Conference, learn a couple things along the way, and find some beauty. So I'm glad you guys are here along with us for this journey.